Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. As you know that we have started osmosis, there is our third lecture about osmosis, in which we study that the osmosis in the plant cells and the water potential. We will discuss the structure of the plant cell, that has cell wall, vacuole and the cell sap. Osmosis in the plant cell in dilute solution, turgid cell, turgor pressure, flaccid cell, plasmolysis, wilting and the recovery after watering, definition of water potential, high and low water potential and water potential gradient. After this lecture, you will be able to understand plant cell behavior in osmosis and key biological terms. So let's begin the video. Firstly, we will discuss the plant cell structure. The plant cell have a cell wall, cell membrane, vacuole with cell sap. Cell sap contains sugar and salt, so water concentration inside is lower. This is the basic structure of the plant cell. Now, here we are going to discuss the cases if the plant is kept in diluted solution. If the plant cell is surrounded by the solution that is more dilute than its contact, water will pass into the vacuole by the osmosis. Vacuole expands, cytoplasm pushes against the wall like this, like the vacuole expands and the cytoplasm pushes against this wall. Cell wall does not scratch, so the cell becomes filled and swollen. So this condition is known as turgidity. Okay, this condition is known as turgid of the cell. Now we discuss the turgid and the turgor pressure. If we're talking about the turgid, we said that swollen water due to water entering is known as turgid. Keep this definition in your mind, that if the cell is swelling due to the water contact, it is known as the turgidity, and the pressure of vacuole that is pushing against the cell wall. The pressure exerted by the vacuole against cell wall is known as turgor pressure. Turgor pressure, why turgor pressure is important for us? Turgor pressure keeps the stem upright, keeps the leaf firm and support the plant. This is the first question, and it's just like the tire of the bicycle. The tire is firm like the cell wall. The floppy in tube is like the cytoplasm, and the air inside. And the air is inside is like the vacuole. So when enough air is pumped in, it pushes the inner tube against the tire and make the tire hard. Now we discuss the second condition, that if vacuole loses water, cell loses turgor pressure, cells become flaccid. Flaccid means soft and limp. This is the definition, keep that in your mind. Flaccid means soft and limp. If more water leaves, cytoplasm pulls away from cell wall. This condition is known as plasmolysis. And plasmolysis means shrinkage of the cytoplasm due to water loss. Now here there is an important point, that is wilting. When many plant cells lose water, they become flaccid. Stem and leaves drop. This is known as wilting. When water is added again, cell become turgid and plants recover. You can see in this diagram that the plant wilting due to the water loss, and when the water again added, the plant recovered. Okay, so this is the diagram. Now let's discuss the water potential. Water potential shows how likely a solution is to gain or lose water. Dilute solution, higher water potential. If a solution is dilute, then it's mean that the water is higher, water potential is high. And if the solution is concentrated, then it's mean that the water potential is low. So pure water is highest water potential. Keep it in your mind that the pure water has a higher water potential. Water always move. Now we discuss the direction of the water, that the water always move the higher water potential to the lower water potential. This difference is known as water potential gradient. So this is about the water potential. So students, this was all about the lecture in which we study the structure of plant cells and the water potential. In the coming video, we'll discuss osmosis in plants and the animal cells, and also discuss the effect of fertilizers. So stay tuned with us. Subscribe to the channel for the latest update. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.